Hey guys, it's James at Workshop Software. How you doing? Hey, just wanted to give you a quick update about what we're doing in the COVID situation currently. We're based in New South Wales and Sydney, and as you might know, there's a lockdown at the moment, and I just wanted to give you a bit of an insight into what we do here at Workshop Software under the current circumstances, which have been going on for quite some time. And of course, you know, COVID's been around now for a year or more, well over a year, and we've been business as usual. So I just wanted to give you some insights. Office up my end of the office is a little bit empty at the moment, a few people away, and a few other bits and pieces, but we've got some essential workers out the other end of the office out here that are in the place, and we're going and doing business as usual sort of situation. So we've got a few of the guys hanging out here, but we've also got some of the guys, hey Cobby, that are working at home as well. So we've got our phone systems and our technology systems and things like that are all able to handle working from home. So we do have all of the team on board. They're all working. They're all there to support you and make sure that it is business as usual for us. So we've got the technology coping COVID. I hope that you guys can do the same thing or a similar thing, and maybe do some of the contactless sort of stuff in your workshops. But for us, you can rest assured that we're still here to support everyone. Thanks.